Hello everybody. Today...
You're gonna regret that.
I know I am. Hello everybody. Today we are going to make a copycat of a famous Asian restaurant's chicken lettuce wraps. I don't know why that was so hard for me to say, but it just was. So, yeah, that's that. We've got ground chicken, got all sorts of sauces here, got water chestnuts, some onions, some ginger, some garlic, some chili garlic sauce, some kimchi, sriracha, low sodium soy sauce, gotta cut it somewhere. Asian style crunchy noodles, hoisin, not poison, hoisin. Sesame oil, rice vinegar, teriyaki, toasted sesame seeds, and a lot of rice. I say we should get that going first, so let's do that. So I don't measure, and it bugs Jennifer and Jeremy when I do that.
Yeah, wait, whoa.
Watch me.
I have no idea how much that is.
Look. Bruh.
I'm Jeffrey, and I'm a pro. I'm Jeffrey, and I'm no pro. I'm kidding.
And then I'm gonna put it in the fabulous rice cooker.
They really need to see how much water is in here.
I feel like that's a good amount. You want it to be a little bit over, but not too much. You put it in your rice cooker, shut it, power, let it do its thing for a second, and white rice. And it's gonna cook it and it'll beep when it's ready. So now, onion, garlic, ginger. I'm cheating. Don't tell anyone.
Oh, he's following another recipe. Why don't you shout out what recipe you're using?
Because it's not my recipe. They can't see.
Really, Jeffrey?
I'm not following it exactly either. This is just a reference. They're gonna follow mine. Since we're doing double the batch of chicken, I'm gonna do double garlic, which this recipe calls for 3, so I'm gonna do 6. Smash, 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 smash. It smells like garlic. Don't get the trash can, it's full.
I'm not. Calm down.
Wow, I really smashed this one good.
You can tell a lot about a person by what's in their trash.
Don't do that!
All that you could see was the prime envelope.
What did I order from Prime?
Envelope.
Envelope. Smash the garlic. Oops, I need to smash you.
I just did the Angela thing from The Office.
Oh God, this garlic's potent. It's making my eyes burn. All right, now the garlic's done. That's off to the side. Easiest way to peel ginger is with a spoon. You take your spoon.
After breaking it apart.
After breaking it apart and getting it into an easier to handle thing, you just take it and you take the back of the spoon like that. And oh my goodness, so easy, buddy. You see, with the spoon, you can also get into those crevices.
Hard to reach areas.
Yeah. Cut off the end there. Got most of it off, not all of it. Then I'm just gonna take it and cut it up. Fresh ginger smells so good. I suppose if you can't get fresh ginger, you can use the dried ginger powder, but I would probably cut back on it because usually dry and powdery stuff have more potency. Yeah, there we go. I think that's pretty good right there. After watching a few of my videos, I left my utensils and work surface dirty and it was driving me crazy. Like the cilantro and the taco video, that was a hot mess. I apologize for that. I'm living in the past, I know. Sorry. So this should be a fairly quick meal, hopefully, because you're pretty much just going to be browning the chicken and then you're going to add in the onions. And then, ooh, goodness, what the hell am I doing? Yeah. So I'm just doing a fairly small dice. It's not pretty. Don't judge me. I'm not here to impress. I'm here to feed you or make an easy meal for you to make. So I don't want to be a stickler. I could be, but I'm not going to be. Why are you laughing?
I zoomed in to the dices that you... Oh my God, you missed another one.
Where is it? Oh, here it is. That one was too close to the sink. Oh, there's some on the floor too. I'm messy today, sorry. Okay, there's that. I'm gonna go ahead and get my green onion cut up since I'm cutting stuff up. Now with green onion, they get dirt in them, So you're gonna wanna cut it up and then rinse it. Start from there, and then you can make it fancy and go on a bias like that, or you can just go up and down like that. I'm gonna do a bias, because I like the way it looks. So just like this. I don't see very much in this, but I'm still gonna rinse it.
He didn't use in plastic.
I did for the most part. There, now those are clean. Then I'm gonna pour them into this bowl for later.
Nice.
Water chestnuts. I'm gonna try one.
They're just crunchy nothingness.
Right, yeah. They were really bland, of course.
Which is good.
Yeah. So what they're gonna do is their main job is gonna be to add texture to the wrap. So I'm gonna do a rough dice on these too. So I'm just gonna kind of keep these kind of smaller and then go just like this. Because you just want the texture, you don't want a whole mouthful of it. Because we're gonna crumble up the turkey.
You mean chicken? Yes.
Ooh. Oops. Why am I thinking about turkey so much? Maybe I just am a turkey. Alright, so I'm gonna go all in here. And just do a rough one. Alright, anything else I need to cut up? No, did that. I think I can start cooking now, guys. Hi! Alright, so now I'm gonna turn on the burner. I'm gonna add a couple tablespoons of olive oil. There's that, 1, 2. And now I'm going to do sesame oil. So now we're gonna warm that up. Chicken doesn't have a lot of fat. So you're gonna wanna add some fat into it so it can actually cook. And that sesame oil smells fantastic. So now I'm just gonna cut this open. Like that. Like that.
Wait, when are we gonna drink?
Oh yeah, let me wash my hands, get the raw chicken off, and then I'll grab our
Sorry,
beers.
was it a bad time?
I guess not. Is it ever a bad time for a beer? Yeah, there's bad times for a beer, but right now it's not.
Yep, like before driving.
Right, that's bad time.
Bad.
So, what we are going to drink today is Dogfish Head, and it's a session sour, and it's blissfully brewed with lime juice, lime peel, black limes, and sea salt, and it is delicious.
Such thing as black limes.
Whose vlog, I mean video is this? I love that beer, it's so good. This beer would be so good on a hot day, out on the beach or right after some yard work.
It's nice and sour.
It's
like a good sour.
I have a guy at work who calls it Kool-Aid piss. Kool-Aid man piss. You know, it's kind of funny. Figured I should share that with you. Let me get my, where's my spoon?
It's delicious. No.
Here it is. Oh, look in that.
Oh, they already saw.
It's really good after a long hot day at work in a chef coat and pants on the line. Just letting you know.
I'm Jeffrey and I'm a chef.
Ooh. But I don't work on a line right now.
Right.
Not that. Whatever. Delicious. Just trying to think of what to say here. Now we're getting a little hot. All right, this is good to go now. I'm gonna add this in gently. Be very careful because the oil is hot. I'm gonna use my, where's my spoon? Where did I put my spoon? Where's my spoon? There's my spoon. There we go, graceful like a gazelle. Our calendar went from Mufasa to, whoever he is.
Even though it's not a billy goat,
It's a Ryan.
we'll name him Billy.
Billy is this month's mascot. So we're just gonna cut this up a little
That
bit.
looks so nasty. I'm recording.
Everything's going swimmingly right now. You can see it's getting some color and something came up off the pan there, but that's okay. It's a little iron in your diet. Turn it up some. But you want it to get color, texture, and stuff. Alright, so here we are. It's mostly cooked all the way through, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my onions. And I grabbed a pair of tongs, just in case it gets a little full. And it's pretty full. Oh no!
And you haven't even added the other stuff yet.
I know.
Oh boy.
Right, now I'm going to add in some chili garlic sauce. I'm gonna do a couple tablespoons. This stuff is potent, so be careful.
Very spicy.
These are teaspoons. heaping teaspoon, so it looks like it's extra, but it's good. Add 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. Then I'm going to add some hoisin sauce.
Poison.
So once calling for 1/3 of a cup. I'm gonna actually measure this out. Zowie.
Why do I have to keep on being Jeffrey? Hot.
It's a kitchen, it's dynamic. Why is there a tissue there?
That's the tissue that I cleaned the lens with.
So here's, ooh, that smells good already. There's 1/3. And just about 2/3 because I'm doing a double batch. So we're gonna give this a good mix up.
Make sure you talk loudly.
I'm gonna give this a good mix up.
Wow.
Develop those flavors. Oh yeah, buddy. I love hoisin sauce. If you like pho, I love putting a lot of hoisin in my pho, along with some sriracha. My gosh, I need to get it together. This is the cleanest the stove's been. All right, there's that. Now I'm going to add in a little splash of rice vinegar, a couple tablespoons. Give it a little poppy pop. And then I'm gonna let it cook and reduce down a little bit, let the flavors develop. Absolutely delicious. Now I'm gonna add in the water chestnuts, so they absorb all of that wondrous flavor. Yes, I called it wondrous, don't judge me. Where am I gonna, oh yeah, you know that thing? Yeah, that. Gonna help this mix it up some. So it doesn't go all over the stove like it just did. Add a little bit of pepper. Gotta make it a little coarser. More coarse, is it coarser or more coarse? Whatever.
More coarse.
You can see the liquids evaporating and getting thicker. That's really gonna coat the chicken. Now I know the chicken's all the way cooked. It was like 90% cooked when I added the onion in. So now what I'm doing is
break open that big.
yeah, and that's done. So that means everything else will be done. I'll go ahead and try a piece.
You look like you want to add more something to it.
I do. Hoisin's good.
You could do teriyaki.
I'll do a little splash of teriyaki as well as soy. I'm gonna do a little bit more of this too.
More of the spice.
Not too much.
By the way, that stuff is super garlicky.
And a little bit of sriracha. This is my favorite one. The regular one's good, but the Tabasco is really
Oh,
good.
you're missing something.
Oh,
We totally forgot.
ginger and garlic. Shh, don't tell anyone, that's our little secret.
Yeah.
That's probably why I just added stuff I didn't need to add.
Probably, but it's okay. I'm sure it tastes great.
And I turned it down some now because you don't want to completely dry out the chicken. Because it's chicken breast. It has no fat. Very little, I said that 10 times earlier. Just gonna let that roll.
Trust me about the chow mein. You're gonna want it to be coated in that sauce. Well,
Oh, there's the ginger. Oh, that's so good. Okay. Let that do its thing. Let it cook the garlic a little bit. I'm gonna add a little bit of toasted sesame seed. Do you think I should?
yeah.
Let's do that. Then I'm gonna add in a bit of these.
Chow mein noodles.
Gonna break them up just a little bit.
Yes.
Ooh,
Some
wow.
extra crunch.
Extra crunch. That way that flavor gets in there too. I think that's a good amount, right?
Yes.
Oops, flinging it. Man, I wish y'all could smell this. Oh wait, you could if you made it. Rice is done.
Oh, I forgot how good chow mein noodles are.
I'm gonna check this. Sorry, we're going around.
Those are so yummy.
Let me see if we did good this time. Feels good.
Does it look good?
Oops, excuse me. I'm happy with that. Let me
Oh
give it
yeah,
a try.
that's perfect.
Oh God, we did it right this time.
Yay! Without an Asian. Without Jeremy.
Yeah. Oh.
There's been a couple mess ups, guys.
All right.
Couple mess ups.
Now we can officially begin plating already. Grab my What is that? Shh, no one will know.
bleeding off of it.
I know. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Turn the fan off, first and foremost.
So now we can hear it.
I wanted bib lettuce or butter lettuce, but I couldn't find any. So we got hearts of romaine. Romaine hearts, whatever you want to call it.
So instead of a lettuce wrap, it'll be a lettuce boat.
I'm just gonna break off the ends with the root part on it. Like that. Put a couple on here. I'm gonna grab a good amount there. Go like that. Grab another amount, go like that. And now I'm gonna grab, I didn't grab the rice scooper. I am bad today. They're over here.
Okay. You're just gonna put it on top?
Yeah. I'm gonna grab some rice, baby.
Ew. Why do you need to be so gross?
This'll do, donkey. So now I'm gonna grab my green onion here. Sprinkle that on top. Put a little pinch here.
Sesame seeds.
I'm working on it. Can I finish?
Okay, I'm sorry. Sorry!
Do a little sprinkle of sesame seed in there on top of the rice as well. And I'm gonna do more chow mein noodles. Wow, that didn't go as planned. Like that. Put a little on the rice too, just to make it look pretty.
Pretty and healthy.
And then if you want, I hate seafood, so I got the vegan kimchi because you know shrimp's not going to be in there. I'm going to put a little bit of this on the side. That way, yeah, I use that spoon to eat. Let me grab something else.
Damn it, Jeffrey.
I know, I'm a hot mess. I'll actually put it down here. Like that. It's got that little funky smell to it, but it doesn't have the seafood in it, so it doesn't smell like death. Look at that! Oh yeah! Trying time. All right, so now I'm gonna take my boat. Go like this. See how it's nice and cupped in there? After I take the first bite, it ain't gonna be pretty. But,
oh my god.
it's okay, buddy.
Oh, what is it, Jeffrey? Oh no.
It's okay, I got this fixed. Now I'm gonna take a bite. I love hoisin sauce so much. Grab a little teriyaki sauce. Just a little bit there. Yummy. And put a little kimchi on this bite too. I'm actually just gonna do this because it already broke in half. It's gonna be a hot mess if I do it the other way. Try and pick this bad boy back up. Once you set it down, it's all over.
Like a taco.
Yeah.
Delicious?
Mm-hmm. That turned out way better than I thought it was going to. Way better. I'm proud of that.
Anything left to say?
Well, like I've said many other times, use the hashtag #ChefandWithChefry on Instagram if you would like to show me your cooking. And also, I have a page on Facebook. Please like that. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Chef and with Chefry, of course. And I appreciate you guys watching me and enjoying cooking with me. And I hope you enjoy cooking yourselves.
Cooking themselves?
Not like cooking themselves, but like, you know.
Like they're gonna cook themselves.
Like they actually make the food that I make. So they can try it themselves. Bye, so you don't see the food in my mouth, sorry. Eat up. You done? Or no?